Hello kids, how are you today? I miss you so much. Our lesson today about approximation. First we know that we have two groups of number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are poor numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are rich number. Poor numbers don't give anything, but rich number gives the next number to here on left 1. Okay, first approximate two-digit number. We can say approximate two-digit number or rounding strategy. Okay, look at ones. If ones is poor, just ignore. If ones is poor, just ignore. Example, ignores mean put 0 in ones. Ignores means put 0 in ones. 23 is approximate to what? Look at ones. Ones has 3. 3 is rich or poor? Excellent, poor. So 23 approximate to 20. If ones is rich, add one more to tens. If ones is rich, add one more to tens. Example 36. Look at ones. 6 is rich or poor? 6 is rich. Okay. So we will add 1 to tens. So 3 plus 1 equal 4. So 36 approximate to 40. We can say approximate to or nearest to. Approximate the following numbers to nearest tens. 12 approximate to. Look at ones. Rich or poor? Yeah, poor. So cancel 2, put 0 and tens as it is. So 12 approximate to 10. 45 approximate to or nearest to 5. Look at ones. 5 rich or poor? Yeah, rich. Okay, 5 will give tens 1. Okay, so our 45 is nearest to. Excellent, 50. 92 approximate to. Look at ones. Rich or poor? Yeah, poor. So just ignore. So 92 nearest to 90. 78 approximate to. Look at ones. Rich or poor? Excellent, rich. So 8 will give 7 1. So 78 nearest to or approximate to 80. 47 approximate to. Look at ones. Rich or poor? Excellent, rich. Okay, so 7 will give 4 1. So the result will be approximate to 50. Approximate to nearest 100 or approximate to 3-digit number. Here we will look at what? Look at tens. If tens have 5 and more, so it has a rich number. 5 or more is rich number. Just add 1 more to 100. Just add 1 more to 100. If it has less than 5, so it has poor number, just ignore. So 5 and more, add 1 more. 5 less than 5, just ignore. Ignore means put 0. Example 345. Look at tens. Tens has less than 5 or more than 5. Excellent, less than 5. It has 4. So just ignore. So we will put 0 in ones, 0 in tens, and 100 as it is. So the result 345 approximate to or nearest to 300. Nearest to 300. 571 approximate to. Look at tens. Look at tens. Rich or poor, it has more than 5 or less than 5. Excellent, more than 5. So add one more 200. Add one more 200. So 571 approximate to 600. Approximate the following numbers to nearest 100. 546 approximate to. Look at tens. Look at tens. 5 and more, just add 1. Add 1 more. Less than 5, just ignore. Here tens has 4. It's less than 5, just ignore. So we will put 0 in 100. 0 in tens, 0 in ones, and 500 as it is. So 546 approximate to 500. 670 approximate to what? Look at tens. 5 and more, add 1 more. 7 more than 5. So we will add 1 to 100. So 670 approximate to or nearest to 700. Your turn. Look at 229. Look at tens. 2. Just more than 5 or less than 5. Excellent. Less than 5. Less than 5. Just ignore. So we will put 0 in. In ones. 0 in. Excellent. Tens. And 100 as it is. So the result will be excellent 200. 481 approximate to. Look at tens. Rich or poor? Excellent, I can hear you. Rich. Okay, so it will give 1. So the result will be 500. 500. Solve some operation. 123 plus 45. We will approximate that both sides of operation. So 123 approximate to 100. And 45. Here 2-digit number. We look at what? Ones. So 5 in ones is rich. So 45 is near to 50. So 100 plus 50 equal 150. 245 plus 357. Okay, look at the first number, 245. Look at tens. 4. Rich or poor? Poor. Just ignore. Put 0, 0, and 200 as it is. So 245 is approximate to 200 plus 357. 5 in tens is rich. It will give 3 1. So the result will be 400. So we have here 200 plus 400 equal excellent 600. Here 670 minus 232. Okay, look at the first number. 7 is rich or poor? Okay, 7 is rich. Okay, so it will give 6 1. So it will be 700. Okay, here 3 is rich or poor? Poor. So 200 will be as it is. Okay, so we will cancel 2 and put 0, we will cancel 3 and put 0, and the result will be 200. So here we have 7. We have 700 minus 200 equal 500. Okay, here 751 minus 650. Okay, here 5 in tens, rich or poor? Excellent, rich, so it will be 0 in ones, 0 in tens, and add one more 200, so it will be 800 minus 650. 5 in tens, rich or poor? Excellent, rich, so 5 will give 6 1, so it will be 700. So we have here 800 minus 700 equal 100. Thank you for watching your homework, page 53 in your pamphlet and 54. Thank you and see you in next video.